There's an amazing website that lets you create incredible AI cinematic films completely free. Yes, that's right. Higgsfield now offers 24 hours of free access, allowing you to create stunning AI videos and cinematic films without paying anything. Just look at how viral these AI snake movies are on YouTube. Some have 29 million views, while others have 711K views and continue to grow. Realistic AI films featuring snakes, King Kong, giant creatures, and other cinematic stories are getting millions of views. In this complete course, I'll show you exactly how to create these viral AI snake films step by step. You'll learn how to generate realistic images, turn them into cinematic videos, and build your own YouTube channel with high-quality AI content that has the potential to go viral. So make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more tutorials like this. Now let's get started and learn how to create amazing AI cinematic videos using Higgsfield's 24-hour free access. Higgsfield now offers 24-hour free access, allowing you to explore and use its powerful AI tools at no cost during the trial period. It is an incredible all-in-one AI platform that lets you create stunning videos, cinematic films, AI images, commercials, animations, and much more with professional quality results. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced content creator, Higgsfield provides powerful tools that make content creation fast, easy, and creative. You can generate realistic scenes, viral social media content, marketing videos, movie-style visuals, and eye-catching AI artwork, all from simple prompts. It also includes Seedance 2.0, giving you access to even more advanced AI video generation capabilities. If you're looking for one powerful website to create almost anything with AI, Higgsfield is an excellent choice. First, we need to create a story. To do that, I'll provide you with a prompt, which I'll also leave in the comments. Simply copy the prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and type, "Give me a short film story, 7 image prompts, video prompts, and scene prompts." ChatGPT will instantly generate a complete short film story, along with image prompts, video prompts, and detailed scene prompts for every scene. Once your prompts are ready, click on Create Image. Select any image model you prefer, then paste each image prompt one by one. As you paste each prompt, the AI will start generating your images. This website creates incredibly high-quality cinematic images that look stunning and professional. Many creators use it to make AI cinematic films because the image quality is truly amazing. After all the images are generated, download them and make sure to number each one, such as Snake 1, Snake 2, Snake 3, or S1, S2, S3. Numbering your images helps you remember which prompt belongs to each scene, making the video creation process much easier. Now that all your images and prompts are ready, it's time to create the video. Click on the video option and upload the corresponding image. Then paste the matching video prompt. Select Seedance 2.0 for the model. Choose 7 seconds as the video duration and click Generate. Within a short time, your AI video will begin generating. It doesn't take long, and the final result is incredibly cinematic, realistic, and high quality. As you can see, the AI video result is absolutely amazing. The quality is incredibly high definition and looks just like a real cinematic film. The visuals are realistic, smooth, and professional, making the final output truly impressive. You can easily create videos with this same level of quality using this platform. Now I'll move on to the second scene. I'll upload the next image, apply the same settings, and then paste the corresponding video prompt. As soon as I paste the prompt and click Generate, the second video will start processing. Within a short time, it will be ready with the same stunning cinematic quality as the first one. Seedance 2.0 is one of Higgsfield's most powerful AI video models. It delivers ultra-realistic cinematic visuals, smoother character movements, better facial expressions, and high-quality animations with impressive detail. It also follows prompts more accurately, making it easier to create professional AI films, viral YouTube content, and movie-style videos with stunning results in just a few clicks. As you can see, the second video is now ready, and the result looks absolutely amazing. The quality is in HD, with realistic cinematic visuals and smooth animation. You can easily create AI videos like this by following the same process. Now the second video is complete. Next, we'll upload the third image, paste its corresponding video prompt, and generate the third scene in exactly the same way. Repeat this process until all of your video clips are ready. Once all the videos have been generated, It's time to create the voiceover. Click on the audio section, and you'll see a wide variety of AI voices available. You can choose any voice you like. There are many high-quality, natural-sounding voices, including voices similar to those available in 11 Labs v3. Simply copy your narration from ChatGPT, paste it into the text box, and click Generate. Within a few moments, your AI voiceover will be ready. The voice quality is clear, natural, and perfect for cinematic storytelling. The platform
A remote island in the Pacific becomes the center of a global crisis when a gigantic ancient snake, known as Titan Serpent, awakens from
currently offers 24 hours of free access. You'll see different paid plans, including $9, $18, and $41, along with discounted offers. You'll also find the Get Free Trial por zero option. Click on it, enter your credit or debit card details, and then click Start Trial. You'll receive 24 hours of free access, allowing you to use the platform as much as you want during the trial period. If you don't want to continue later, you can simply cancel the trial. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and stay tuned for more AI tutorials. Thank you for watching.